Hi again, guys. This is a little more in-depth video of what is to be expected for your first week assignment. We are looking here at the actual Word document. It says browse the playlist provided on YouTube. Choose 2 songs to compare and reflect. What is the same about them? What is different? How do they make you feel? Do they relate to you in your life? Please support your answer. Now, I understand that some of this is hard for my Spanish speaking students, so I did get a little bit of help from some friends, so I'm hoping these translations are fine. They told me to write, and excuse my accent, escoge dos videos y compara como te hacen sentir a ti, okay? So let's take a look at what is meant by how do they reflect to you? How do they feel? One can look at a definition of emotion as a feeling such as happiness, love, fear, anger, or hatred, which could be caused by the situation that you are in or the people you are with. Emotion is a part of a person's character that consists of their feelings as opposed to their thoughts. And we have talked about feelings before and how they relate to music. And let's take a peek at some Spanish translations real quick to see if we can translate some words. For emotion, we have looked up and it says emotion, pretty much pronounced the same way. Mood, estado anímico, or el humor, how you're feeling. And reflect within, sintiendo dentro, how are we feeling? And how are we feeling specifically when we look at some of the music on here on the playlist? Okay, there's lots of choices here from you to choose from, 13 different videos. You do not have to listen to all 13. But, you know, if you're in a mood one day to sit there and look at them all, or maybe you want to look at all 13, you certainly may, okay? So you're going to pick 2 videos, 2, okay? And you are going to listen to them, and you are going to think about, while you're listening to them, you are going to think about those questions that are in the sheet. What's the same about them? What's different? How are they making you feel? Do they have something that relate to you in your life, okay? So these performances, I know specifically, these performances were made all in light of things that are happening in the world today. They are relevant to what's been going on with the global pandemic. And these videos, most of them were for the performance One World Together at Home, which some of you might have already viewed. Okay, so that already makes it relevant because we are all really experiencing the same thing right now. Okay, and I wrote, please support your answer. What does that mean? Well, that means, okay, Miss Abbott, I picked these 2 songs, but I need to know why. And that doesn't mean you can write, I picked these 2 songs because they are good. Well, that doesn't really tell me how they relate to you in your life or how they make you feel. Do they make you feel happy, sad? Do they make you think about personal experiences in your life? Okay, so think about these things, and certainly you can contact me if you have further questions, okay? And that concludes your instructions for week 1.